Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the 5 top programming languages that you should learn in 2021 and you can get highly paid jobs in India. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. In number 5 we have C Sharp. C Sharp belongs to the C programming languages and it is developed by Microsoft and runs on .NET framework. C Sharp and C++ have similar codes as both of them are originated by the same programming group and both are object-oriented programming language. C Sharp is a high-level programming language that is easy to learn as compared to C++. There is several advantages and disadvantages of C Sharp. That is, it is a object-oriented programming language. It's automatically remove the garbage present in the system. The garbage means the unnecessary codes present in our system that we are not using for any kind of thing like web development or any other thing. It is automatically removed by the C Sharp. The next advantage is it's a easy to develop programming language. The main disadvantage of C Sharp is it takes more time to learn as compared to other programming language just like a Python. It is easy to C++, but if I'll compare some other programming language that nowadays people are using, it is a bit complicated. Now coming to the companies that use C Sharp is Delivery Hero, Alibaba Travels, Accenture and etc. Now coming to the job analysis of C Sharp. See, here we are analyzing the job opportunities in India using one of the most commonly used job website, that is a Naukri.com. we can use. So what will we be just searching how many numbers of jobs are available right now. Okay, on based of that we'll be categorizing which programming language is more useful nowadays and which we can go through it. Okay, so based on Naukri.com, C Sharp, there is a number of vacancy available at particular time is a 14,000. It's almost 15,000 job openings are currently available in India. Okay, what estimate salary you can get by using this C Sharp is 7.5 lakhs. Now coming to number 4, we have Java programming language. Java is developed by Oracle Corporation and it is a class-based object-oriented programming language. Java can be used to create complete application that may run on a single computer or it can be distributed among server and client in a network. Now coming to the advantages and disadvantages of Java. Java is a object-oriented programming language. It is a high-level programming language and provide automatic garbage collection just like C Sharp. Java is also a secure language. Now coming to the disadvantages of Java. Java is slow and has a poor performance. Java requires significant memory space in your computer. Uber, Google, Netflix, Amazon, Airburn and Spotify are some of the top used companies of Java programming language. Now coming to the job analysis in present situation of Java programming language, we are using for this analysis Naukri.com, that is one of the mostly used job site, and according to the Naukri.com, in present situation there is almost 1,08,871 job openings are present for this particular programming language. If you are experienced up to 4 to 7 years you can easily get 13 lakhs per annum package using the Java programming language. Now coming to the third programming language, it is a PHP programming language. PHP is designed by Rasmus in 1994 and developed by PHP development team. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is scripting language used to develop static and dynamic web page and web applications. PHP is one of the widely used server-side scripting language that is used for website development. Now coming to the advantages and disadvantages of PHP. PHP is a open source and free for use software. That is the one of the most important advantage of PHP. PHP is general purpose scripting language specially suited to web development. It is a interpreted language, hence it does not need any type of compiler. It helps in managing code very easily. Disadvantages of PHP. PHP does not allow to change or modify the core behavior of online applications. It is not suitable for GAIN content based web applications. Wikipedia, Slack, Tumblr, Mailchimp, Etsy and WordPress are one of the mostly used companies that use this programming language. Now coming to the job analysis, depending on the Naukri.com, there is in present 22,000 approximate job vacancies are present nowadays. The salary expectation, if you are 4 to 7 years experience, depending upon your qualification and fluency in your expertise, you can get 6 lakh per annum package. Now coming to number 2, we have JavaScript programming language. JavaScript is designed by Brendan and the team, and it is a text-based programming language that is used in client side as well as server side to allow user to make website interactive, allows user to interact more easily with web page. There are almost no limits to the things you can do with JavaScript on web page. Now coming to the advantages and disadvantages, JavaScript is a very fast because it runs instantly with the user browser. It is a very simple. The simplicity, it is relatively simple to learn and develop. It provides user to create rich interface. The disadvantage of this language is security. On the user side, security is one of the main disadvantage of JavaScript. Sometimes it is difficult to communicate cross-browser code because different browsers can interrupt the JavaScript code. PayPal, Groupon, Netflix, Uber, Facebook and Google are one of the companies that use JavaScript for their programming. Now coming to the job analysis, we have presently almost 28 to 29,000 job vacancies present in present position. If you are experienced up to 5 to 7 years, you can easily get 10 lakhs per annum package in India. On number 1, we have Python programming language. Python is designed by Guido van Rossum and the company name is Python Software Foundation. Python is an interpreted high-level and general-purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy emphasized code readability with its notable use of significant white space. Now coming to the advantages and disadvantages of Python. Python is easy to understand. The language of this Python has English-like syntax, so It is very easy for programmer to understand it and use it. It provides large standard libraries. Python helps to improve programmers' productivity. Now coming to the disadvantages, the Python has line by line execution of code that leads for slowing the speed of programming. Python's required large memory space. That is one of the another disadvantage of Python. Instagram, Spotify, Netflix, Quora, Facebook, Google and Dropbox are one of the companies that use Python. Now coming to the job analysis of Python, we have almost 1,09,231 job vacancies present in present scenario, and if you are experienced up to 5 years, you can easily make 11.5 lakhs per annum in India. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.